In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a 2004 to 2006 Scion XP first gen front door lock actuator. The symptoms are that when you use your key fob, the front door driver side lock does not go up and down, but all the other ones work properly. That's a sign that your door actuator is going out. Okay, so here we go. You got a screw right here and a screw right here. After that, you just pull this off, and then the panels, it's product panels off, and you got a screw right here as well. Just pop it off carefully, and then we'll go from there. Okay, the door panel is off. Pretty simple. Just take your time when you're pulling off the door panel. Okay, now this has dynamite. This wasn't on there originally. Somebody, previous owner, probably had a system. You just peel this back, and inside right there is your actuator. You're going to get a short stubby screwdriver. There's two Phillips. Take that off, and then from there you take this cable off. All right. Focus, focus. That's one, and you got another one right on the other side. Once you take the screws out, there's one right there, one right there. You just pull the 6-pin connector and replace the new one. Replace the old one with the new one. This is a new one. And you might have to do a little modifying because they come from China. As far as where the ball goes in, there's a white ball right there. It needs to go in these slots. So that's it. Do everything in reverse. Okay, guys. This is the old one. I'm going to show you the new one is thicker right in this area right here where my fingertips is. You're going to take your Dremel tool and match up with the old one. And it's almost it's really thin right in here. The new one is thicker. Okay, so that's the modification I was going to tell you about. Right in there. Let me see if I can hold the phone and do it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless. Take care. Stay woke. Stay motivated. Help someone along the way in this journey called life. Hadnotandsonsusa, we get the job done.